Ford Maverick Lobo front bumper appears. Orange accents define its aggressive stance perfectly. Lobo-specific grille and LED strips lock into place, ready for action. Blueprint reveals chassis connections, engineering precision at every joint. Bare chassis lands. Orange suspension components hint at performance capability. Crumple zone, safety cell, load floor. Structural zones now visible. Body shell lifts. Engine and suspension mounting points revealed underneath. Lobo front subframe bolts to main rails. Torque specification applied. Rear axle with orange springs installs. Suspension settles under weight. Ford Maverick Lobo title forms. Orange lettering signals special edition. Modular headlight layers separate. LED, DRL, and housing explained. Cutaway reveals LED chips and heat management. Light projects forward. Low, high, daytime running modes. Each beam pattern distinct. 2-liter EcoBoost engine. Orange internals show 4-stroke cycle. Direct injection and spark ignition. Combustion chamber detailed. Crankshaft and pistons at speed. Harmonic damper reduces vibration. Turbocharger delivers 18 psi boost. Airflow dramatically increased. 8-speed automatic. Planetary gears and valve body separated. Planetary gear set meshes. Sun, planet, ring transfer torque smoothly. 1st through 8th gear. Output shaft speed increases progressively. Ratios from 4.69, 400 Newton meters torque capacity. Propeller shaft sends power rearward. Differential and axles distribute. Differential cutaway. Spider gears bias torque between wheels. Torque transfers automatically. Power goes to wheel with grip. 2.7 to 1 bias ratio. Electronic locker available. Front MacPherson strut components. Spring and damper work together. Damper cutaway. Piston and shims control compression and rebound. 60mm compression. Damper absorbs, then rebounds smoothly. 35 Newton per millimeter spring rate. 180 travel. Rear multi-link suspension. 5 links locate axle precisely. Coilover cutaway. Lateral forces channel through control arms. 15-degree articulation. Left up, right down over terrain. Electric power steering rack. Motor assists pinion and rack. Motor cutaway. Torque sensor measures driver input instantly. 3-to-1 assist ratio. Steering effort multiplied electronically. 14.8 ratio. Turning circle, 12.3 meters. Brake system components. Fluid moves from master to calipers. Caliper cutaway. Piston clamps pad against rotor at 200 degrees. Emergency stop from 100 kilometers. ABS prevents lockup. All systems combine. Body lowers. Ford Maverick Lobo complete. Real-world capability. Off-road trail and city streets mastered. 680 kilogram payload. Tows 1,800 kilograms. Turbo efficiency, 8-speed, smart suspension, Lobo advantages confirmed. The Ford Maverick Lobo, engineered for performance, built to dominate.